Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel chapter 6 hand on Excel 3 simulation training. So open the Excel chapter 6 simulation training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 6 hand on exercise 3 simulation training. Click the launch. So total question is 4 and we move to the question number 1. In cell B12 use the goal C to determine how much you can spend on the home B2 maintenance in the $600 monthly payment accept the section. So type the B12 and press enter and use the goal sheet to determine how much you can spend on the B2. So B12 and go to the data tabs and go to the for cost groups and click the goal 6 and next is B12 how much you can spend on B2. So select the B2 and value is to 600 and click OK and again OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is create the what if analysis. If a scenario to the best case scenario, the scenario should change the range B2 to B5, assign the value in cell B2 and B3 B4 and 15 B5 do not close the scenario managers. And coming these steps. So go to the data tabs and go to the forecast groups, click the what influences and click the scenario managers. So click that and scenario name is to the best case scenario. And next is change the range to the B2 to B5. So B2 to B5 and next is click the OK and B2 is to and next is select the B3 is to 12 the value and B3 is to 0.0225 and B4 is to type 15 and click OK and next is create the what if analysis scenario name worst case scenario. The scenario should change the range B2 to B5, assign the value and B3 to B4, 45, B5 do not close the scenario manager after the completing these steps. So click the adds and next is to the worst case scenario. And next is the scenario should change the range B2 to B5 and click OK and next is type the value and B3 is to B4 is to 0.206 and next is to 45 and click OK and last is click the adds to most likely scenario. most likely scenario, and B2 to B5, click OK. Sorry, most likely, and click OK. And next is to type the value, and is to add to 425 and 13, click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display the most likely scenario. Added the most likely scenario by changing the third changing cell before 0.0425. Display the scenario against. Do not close the scenario manager after the completed these steps. And click the most like scenarios and click the address. Display the most likely scenario and added the most likely scenario by changing the third most likely scenario address. And next is to click OK, and B4 is to type the 0.0425, click OK, and do not close the display the scenario against. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is create the scenario summary reports for the cells ranges B12 to B14 to compare the 3 home loans scenario. So create the scenario summary reports, click the summary and scenario summary reports in cell B12 to B14 and click OK. And next is format the scenario summary reports by deleting the column A. So select the column A, right clicks and click the deletes. The summary reports delete row 1's remaining and changing auto completes. So select the row 1, right clicks and click the deletes. So submit results and please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK and see the scores is 100%. Excel chapter 6 hand-on exercise, current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.